What's going on, guys? Today we've got just to show you guys something that I love. I travel a lot. You've heard this in my other videos if you've watched them. I need workspace. Not only do I come out with a laptop, I have to come with the external monitors, mouses, bags, all that kind of stuff. So this is one thing I picked up. I actually picked it up at Kmart. I was actually in a city that still actually has a Kmart. Other than that, you can buy these at Walmart, any place like that. This one is split in half. I forgot the dimensions of it actually. I can actually show you that with my phone if it was available. It's probably 3 feet by 2. It might be a little bit smaller than that. But what I love about it is it's got the crease in the middle, so you can actually come in and bring this. I throw this in the back of my car. You don't need a whole lot of space for this at all. So obviously you just come in here just like a normal party table. You can collapse these in there. That shrinks down. We'll do it to the other side real quick. And of course these, not sure if you guys can see it, but you got red little tabs here at the bottom. Go ahead and stand up. You got these red tabs. It'll actually it'll be the part that should slide these down. You can see the tracks want to slide and bring this back down. We'll do the same on this side. And then last but not least, you've got a little silver tab over here on the side, and then you just bring it and collapse it back. Has a nice little carry handle, and then you can see that somewhere in here, right here, is where you can actually see the latch. It's gonna go ahead and latch onto one of those bars in there. Look at that. It's probably, you could look it up. It's, I don't know, 5 pounds maybe. So you can see I can take this anywhere. Like I said, I do a lot of travel, and I've got hotels that I stay in, and there's not enough workspace, and there's just a great thing. And of course, when I'm not traveling at home and we have a Christmas party or we do anything like that, obviously I can just come in here, untop those, slide this out, and you've got your table ready to go. Put your turkey, put your dressing over on here, have it as a side table if you don't have the room for it. You can see how fast that is to put up and put down. You can extend it, add almost another foot to it. And there you go, guys. I think this is the Cosco, not Costco, but Cosco, C-O-S-C-O brand. I think it runs about, you can get them anywhere between 40 and 50 bucks. I think it was probably more near 50 bucks if I recall. But nonetheless, I love it. I love it for traveling. Like I said, you've seen in my other videos already. You could compare it. I've got my monitor set up over here. I've got my laptop. You can see how compared to a laptop size, what it's gonna do. And I usually end up taking my monitor, slapping it over here so I can still work, and you can still see all that space that I have over here. Documents, another monitor, another laptop, whatever a notepad, whatever you guys need. Just a great little desk, portable, super cheap, super easy, durable, and it fits anywhere. So hope you guys like that one. I know it's another kind of goofy video, but like I said, this is things that really help my life out, and hopefully it'll eventually help you guys out. And as always, feel free to comment, like, subscribe to us, and can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Have a good one, guys. See ya.